And if you open this launch IPC Viewer thing, you will get this. Discussed the miss event stuff last week also, like recently, and some improvements were made. I'll show you how it looks like right now. I'll tell you what the updates were. So here in the IPC plot now, you see a lot of colors. I'll tell you what it is. So now you can see for which cycle IPC is what, in addition to how many instructions are constituting to that IPC value. For example, if you look at this cycle 105 here, it has one VNOP instruction, two ALU instructions, and one XP load instruction. And here basically color coding is there, and then this is what you get. And you can inspect. So let's say if I do update trace table, let's say we were looking at cycle 105. So I'll just go there. So this is our cycle 105. Let's see how many retirements we have here. So we have, okay. I think there is one suggestion from Paul for the README also. I'll get that incorporated in the next packet. So in addition to this, you can see in the miss event, the red color is iCache miss and the purple one is branch misprediction. Now you can tell at cycle 74, there was an iCache miss, and at cycle 80, you had a branch misprediction. Let's quickly check. Instruction retired at cycle 80. So we can see this branch less than PCEX 0xE2. So this is where you actually got a branch misprediction, and that's why you see a spike here. And one more thing, one special thing we have is, so let's say in a single cycle, you have multiple miss events. So let's say one branch misprediction and one iCache miss. It can happen, right? Because you retire more than one. So in that case, your spike will look like this. Half is purple, half is red, by the way. So you can tell at cycle, let's say, so let's say cycle 830, we have this. If we look at cycle 830 now, we'll see how many instructions retired in that. And that will tell us. It's a lot of data. So we see one iCache miss and one branch misprediction. So we can see there is a branch less than, which constitutes to the branch misprediction. And I think this instruction might also be constituting to the iCache miss. Is it a fresh cache line? Yeah. So this is basically something that we can analyze, right? And if I show you the dry stone with this one, so you can see the miss events are only coming in the first 1/3, as you saw in the idea. So after that, it's all clean. So you no spikes whatsoever. Okay. So yeah,